Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid and vitamin C serum together full guide. Start by cleansing, then apply vitamin C to dry skin and gently press it in. Follow with a lightweight hyaluronic acid to trap moisture. If you use actives, add sunscreen in the morning as your final step. Keep routine simple, patch test new products, and adjust frequency based on your skin's tolerance and needs. Evening routines offer a gentle way to combine vitamin C and hyaluronic acid without sun exposure concerns. Cleanse thoroughly, apply vitamin C first if it's part of your regimen, then wait briefly and follow with hyaluronic acid on damp skin to seal in moisture. Finish with a nourishing night cream if needed. If irritation occurs, reduce frequency, use every other night, or separate actives by morning and evening to find what works best. A smart combination strategy keeps skin balanced while getting benefits from both serums. Opt for a stable vitamin C formulation that your skin tolerates and use hyaluronic acid as a hydrating second step to prevent dryness. Consider frequency, avoid overlayering heavy actives, and always patch test. If you have sensitive skin, start slowly and build up. And when in doubt, consult a dermatologist to personalize product strength and timing for your routine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.